Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're working on something that's just not another project. We're actually making a big difference with this one. This is a Ford F-350. It's coming from the Florida Department of Transportation. It's a responsive unit that's on the front lines when major accidents happens in our highways. But here's the thing, it's not just protecting the truck, it's protecting the people that spend long hours working in it. Unfortunately, one of their drivers developed skin cancer. It's one of those things that happen when you are exposed for many hours inside an untinted truck. That's why the FDOT approved the budget to have all of their units outfitted with Llumar Air 80. It's one of the clearest and most effective film that we have to offer. So let's dive in. When FDOT reached out to us, they had one thing in mind, and that's safety. Llumar Air 80 is one of the most safest film when it comes to blocking out 99% of the UV rays, and it blocks a significant amount of heat from coming in, and at the same time is virtually clear. As you can see, you could barely tell that there's tint when you apply this tint over a glass. This means the team can stay safe for long-term sun exposure when they're out working. And this is what it takes to make the most perfect installation humanly possible. First, we gotta clean the glass to make sure that there's no debris and everything is pretty much clean before we put in our tint. Oh, hey, this is where the magic happens. We load up the film and now it's ready to cut the patterns out with Eastman's Llumar's cutting software. And here it is, guys. We have the Ford F-350. All the patterns are there. Here are the windows. Now it's getting ready to cut. So we have a very precise cut that's gonna fit perfectly. With a truck this size, every detail counts. So this project is more than just a contract. It's actually a partnership with FDOT for us to protect their team while they're out there protecting our highways. These trucks are on the road day and night, and in the day, they're exposed to harmful UV rays, and we definitely wanna protect them. Installing Llumar Air 80 is a huge impact when it comes to health and safety. It's an honor to work with organizations like the FDOT, and knowing what we do here actually impacts people's lives. Whether it's a commercial unit like this or a personal vehicle, sun protection is something that we're passionate about.
If you're looking for a way to stay cool, protect your skin, and protect your interior, let us know. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and again, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more behind the scenes projects like this. Bye.